The blue-eyed girl loves singing in the bathroom. I can't miss the show. I'm going to shoot a music video and send it to producers. I'm recording my friend's solo performance on my phone camera, which she doesn't see. But the blue-eyed girl is not happy with the idea. She sings only for her own pleasure and doesn't want anyone else to hear it. She's disappointed, but I know how to return a smile on her face. I will give her a special sponge microphone. Draw a microphone silhouette on a shower sponge. Cut it out and cut off the pen trace. The blue-eyed girl has a piece of professional equipment for singing in the bathroom for her own pleasure. Let's add some visual effects. A hairdryer blows out her hair. The microphone works so the blue-eyed girl is in the image of a singer. We'll shoot a music video in the bathroom and become famous in the music industry. Watch out, Beyoncé! We are coming! While I do my makeup and doll myself up, the blue-eyed girl tidies the house. Still, she doesn't look happy. My friend doesn't want to do cleaning on her own, and she doesn't need to. Technology should work instead of us. It's a new invention, a remote control cleaning. Cut off the handle of a squeegee with a heated knife. Put it into a radio-controlled car. Fold a duster and hot glue it to the squeegee. We chill out in our armchairs controlling the car. The technology does everything for us. This is what we call tech development. The blue-eyed girl is straightening her hair, and I'm going to have lunch. It's great that she's got a hot flat iron. I will need it for heating up my sandwich. Take away a flat iron. Wrap your sandwich with foil and put it into the flat iron. Turn it over a few times. My friend doesn't understand what I'm doing. Am I going to straighten out salami? Nope, I just want to heat my sandwich. It smells and looks delicious. But my sandwich is so good that my friend is eager to have a piece of it too. The blue-eyed girl has a little secret. She still plays with toys. She builds Lego figures when nobody sees her. It looks like a kindergarten, but the blue-eyed girl's gotten carried away with the minifigure because it's not just a useful toy for developing fine motor skills, it's also a great gadget accessory. Construct a Lego minifigure. Attach it to a flat brick vertically. Fasten double-sided foam tape to the back. And attach to the edge of a tabletop. Insert a phone charger cable into the figure's hands. The blue-eyed girl uses her Lego minifigure as a weird cable holder. It's so handy! Now, the cable is well secured by Lego. And our hands are free for eating cookies. The lamp starts blinking suspiciously all of a sudden. It looks like the beginning of a thriller. Oh no! It's just a burned-out light bulb. We are going to change it, but not for a regular bulb, but for a light bulb candle. Remove the details from the inside of a burned light bulb. Lay fuse to shape the light bulb wires and paint it in black. Melt candle gel in a double boiler. Put the fuse into the bulb. Fasten the ends on the screw cap. Fill a syringe with liquid gel and put it into the bulb. Take off the clothespins and smooth the fuse. This is double profit. It is both a light bulb and a candle. Ignite the fuse and light your room. And if you can't stand still, there is always a way out. Your friend can be the best candle holder. My friend refuses to eat. All food seems to be boring and bland to her, but we can fix it easily. We call spoon and fork air forces to help us out. These planes will deliver food to the place of destination at once. We will need wooden spoons and forks. Cut off the top parts of 2 spoons. Divide the handles into 2 pieces, a bigger and a smaller one. Hot glue 2 small pieces closer to the end of a fork. This will be the tail of a plane. Hot glue the longer pieces closer to the beginning of the handle. These are wings. Color the plane with acrylic paints. Decorate a spoon in the same way. Let's prepare a runway and send our edible load right into the mouth. Any meal will turn into a fascinating adventure with these spoons and forks. Dear passengers, please fasten your seatbelts. Our flight will be exciting and nutritious. Did you like our life hacks? Then write in your comments which of them you will use in your everyday life. And don't forget to give your thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss new funny videos on the Troom Troom channel.